In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to start from a clean slate, build a dashboard, and turn your sheet data into a clear visual chart. First, head to the Smartsheet home screen. From here, look for the option to start something new. Click Start a new project, program, or process to open the creation options. You'll see a gallery with templates designed for different roles, including options geared toward company management. Templates can save time if you already know the structure you want. For this walkthrough, though, we'll start from scratch so you can see exactly how the chart comes together. Choose a new workspace starting point so everything lives in an organized space. Then select Dashboard as your item type. A dashboard is where you'll place visual widgets, like charts that pull data from your sheets or reports. When the dashboard opens, click Get Started to begin adding your first widget. Now add the chart itself. Select Chart New to create a chart widget. This opens the chart setup panel. Click Add data to connect the widget to your source. If you work with many sheets and reports, use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. Otherwise, browse and choose it from the list. Once you've found the correct sheet or report, click on it to open a preview. Next, select the exact data you want charted. Click and drag to highlight the range, typically one column for categories such as months or project names, and one or more columns for values like kiosks or accounts. A few tips here. Include your header row if you want Smartsheet to use those names as labels. Keep your selection contiguous without blank rows, and make sure your value columns are numeric so the chart renders properly. If you're using a report, confirm it already summarizes the data the way you want it displayed. When your selection looks right, click OK to confirm. Smartsheet will build the chart on your dashboard with the data you chose. If the preview doesn't look the way you expect, it usually means the selected range includes extra text or empty rows. Just return to the selection and adjust the area you dragged. Clean labeled columns almost always produce a clear result. That's it. You navigated from home, created a new dashboard in a workspace, added a chart widget, connected it to your data, selected the right range, and confirmed it. You now have a graph on your Smartsheet dashboard that's ready to share and use in your reporting.